What's up, Sneak Geeks? It's your boy Sneaker Life, back with another video. Yes, 3 in a row. Sorry, blowing y'all up right now. But October 23rd, the Nike Doernbecher Unveiled Freestyle Collection hits here, and they brought the heat. I really like the concept, the colorways, and everything. I always love the Doernbechers. I'm fortunate enough to almost have every pair, and I definitely don't plan on sleeping on either of these. I wish I would have kept the previous Doernbecher Air Maxes that I had, but I didn't. So yeah, guys, if you want to check out the new Nike link that they just dropped about the whole collection and who the designers are, young kids, these are dope. All of it's dope. This cause is dope. Just the fact that these kids get to design these shoes is amazing. And that's where these are strictly art. I would definitely wear these, but at the same time, every Doernbecher I have is just, there's a really great story behind it, knowing that a sick kid designed it. It's cool to me. I love the concept. You guys know the hype will be there, unfortunately, just because that's how it is. I really wish they would mass produce these so they could raise as much money as possible for these kids, which they would definitely be able to do. This is a shoe that would not sit. And yes, it is pink. I'm sure I could probably read up on that to understand exactly what's the story behind this specific shoe. But I'll know by the time I actually get these. There's no way I'm not going to get them. There's no way. But here we go with the LeBrons. Definitely dope. Not a fan of the silhouette of this LeBron specifically. They should have came out with Doernbecher 10s. That would have been dope. So here we go. Boom. Fresh. Seems like they did a lot of vibrant colors. These kids must really like the green, the light green, or maybe that's their option. So yeah, amazing storyline. Like I said, you guys, these are wow, fuego. Man, simplicity, dope. But yeah, guys, these will be dropping November 21st. Oh, here we go, right here on Nike.com. Definitely looking forward to it. What do you guys think? Make sure to leave your thoughts, comments, everything down below. I'm excited. I hope y'all are excited. But anyway, I'm out. See you guys soon. Peace.